I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. We've got a 2.8 Hilux here, and I can see already something wrong with this air cleaner lid. Common problem. You've got a lining cut out here and the bits are missing, so there's somewhere else where they should be sticking out of here. And that there is your dust or water drainer on the side of the air cleaner on these old 2.8 Hiluxes. So I'll pull this lid off and have a bit of a look. Up inside is a, probably may not be able to see it, is like a cyclonic sort of fins put on top of the air filter end, so it spins the air, and when it spins the air, all the dust goes out into that gap there. At the top where it should be sitting, there's those little things that are going to go in the cutout, and then your water drain and dust drain is down the bottom. So that thing hadn't been working properly because it just hadn't been lined up. Now we've got them both sitting there. Tighten the air cleaner up again. And away we go, job done. Just make sure you do things right. Look after your diesel. I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. You can see more of these videos on Facebook, our Instagram channel, YouTube, or look up technical information at our Berrima Diesel web shop. Or of course you can look at our e-shop and check out some goodies for your four-wheel drive.